Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So I get a lot of comments and questions about my skin and what I do to keep it looking good. I'll have to admit it's not perfect, but I do my best to take care of it as much as possible. As you all know by now, I love doing DIY masks, and today I just wanted to do one that involved some turmeric because I haven't done one of these turmeric masks in a very long time. What's great about the mask I'm going to share with you guys today is that it only needs 2 ingredients, and honestly it'll leave your skin feeling refreshed, brighter, and it actually prevents acne, blackheads by removing any impurities. Anyway, enough talking and let's get right into it. So as I just mentioned to you guys, you only need 2 ingredients for this mask, and one of them is turmeric and the other one is yogurt. Here I have about half a teaspoon of turmeric. Some of the benefits of turmeric include its anti-inflammatory properties as well as its ability to even out your skin tone, believe it or not. This is what will help your skin to look brighter and more radiant. Now for the yogurt, I'm using Greek yogurt for this mask. You can use other kinds of yogurt as well, but I actually prefer using Greek yogurt because it's a lot thicker and it'll form a better paste than regular yogurt, which will probably be a little bit more runny. I've got here 2 heaping tablespoons, and the yogurt is great as it has a natural cooling effect on your skin and it contains lactic acid, which is great for tightening pores. So here I'm just mixing the 2 ingredients to form a thick paste. The bright orange turmeric and white yogurt end up making this thick mustard colored paste. So there are just a couple of things that you want to make sure you do before you apply this mask. So the first thing is, I know it sounds very obvious, but make sure your skin is clean. No makeup, no products on your skin. You also want to make sure that you put up your hair because you don't want it all in your hair. And try to wear a dark colored t-shirt because you don't want the turmeric staining any clothing, especially anything nice that you have. So now that I have all those 3 things out of the way, I'm going to start applying the mask evenly all over my face using, this is actually an old makeup brush, but it's clean. I generally use a brush like this to apply masks. And I'm just applying a generous layer here, ensuring that my face is covered evenly. You can get close to your eyes, but obviously avoid getting it into your eyes. And also don't forget to apply it to your neck. And of course, I got it on my t-shirt. I knew this was going to happen, but thank God I'm wearing an old t-shirt and it's black. Once the mask is all over your face, you'll want to wait about at least 10 minutes before removing it. Don't let this sit on your face for longer than 20 minutes though, because it kind of gets a little cakey and harder to remove. I do like washing it in the shower because it prevents it from splashing everywhere and like making a mess from all the turmeric in your sink. But if you have to wash it in your sink, make sure you give your sink a little rinse after you're done. Now that 10 minutes has passed, I'm washing my face and patting it dry. It's very important to moisturize after washing, so here I'm applying my favorite serum from the Body Shop. It's their Overnight Vitamin E Serum. This one is amazing for all skin types, in case you're wondering. And that is it for a super simple mask. I hope you enjoyed this video, and please subscribe for more skincare videos like these. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon. Bye!